hasn't it?
We've got a new sign.
Oh
on
yes.
this van.
I'll let you know that we've had some new stickers printed off, and we decided to have a little magnetic logo, so we can take it off the van and it just sticks.
Ta-da.
Morning everyone.
Morning folks.
Hope everyone's okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're going away again on a little adventure this weekend.
Off to York.
Yeah, only for a couple of nights. We're going to York campsite, which is an adult only site just outside York.
Yeah, 2 miles on the outskirts of York.
Yeah, and you can catch a bus in to York, which is a 10-minute drive.
Yeah.
So we're looking forward to this trip. And little Archie is here with us. There he is, look.
Yeah, I believe there's a bus stop immediately outside the campsite.
Come along with us and we'll take you to the campsite. And then obviously we'll have a walk round York.
Yes.
See what we can find.
So the route from here, up the A614, onto the A1 to junction 44, onto the A64 ring road around York, and the campsite is to the northeast of the city. Gonna take about an hour and a half.
Okay then, we'll see you when we get there. Bye for now. It's all on the floor heating in the facilities. There's a service pitch there you've passed us, but you're on fully serviced. So I said, oh, I forgot about it. It's number 26, so it's the first one round the corner. This one here, I think. Well, we've arrived at York campsite.
We have.
Which is an adult only campsite.
Yes, it's very quiet, isn't it?
Yes, it's very quiet. It really is. I'm just going to take you outside and just have a little look round the pitch. So just bear with me 1 minute. So we're on a fully serviced pitch and our bollard is over here. It is actually metered. They give you £3 a day, but I've put £10 extra on, so I think there's £16 on there at the minute. But obviously if you don't use it, then you get the money back. So we'll see how much electric it takes. The hose pipe is there because, as I say, we're on a fully serviced pitch. The tap is up there on the bollard, and when you plug it in, it doesn't stretch.
No.
To our,
just about the drain area.
Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, our water's here.
Use the pipe to fill the watering can.
Yes, he plugged it in and had the hose pipe up to here and filled up the watering can and then filled it from there. I mean, we could have moved the van, but it just seemed a bit pointless. There's Archie in there, look, and you can see him. He's not happy, he's moaning.
He's not happy, he's home alone in the van.
Yeah, a nice sized pitch. And look, it's all countryside. There's cows actually in that field. They've all disappeared now. So this is our pitch. And it's got a little hedge round it, hasn't it?
We've got a new sign.
Oh yes, we've had some new stickers printed off. and we decided to have a little magnetic logo, so we can take it off the van and it just sticks. That's not very straight, Tony.
No, not straighten it up.
But that's the only place we can put it, because obviously our van isn't metal.
Only the cabin,
You know,
of course,
this,
yes.
yeah, the van isn't. So anyway, so what we're going to do now, we're going to have a walk round. There is a dog walk, isn't there, to that side. There's facilities just there, and apparently they're all underfloor heated. We haven't been in there yet.
Luxury.
So Tony will no doubt go and investigate. Tomorrow we're going to have a run into York, aren't we?
Yeah. Find out what time the buses run.
Yeah, we're just going to have a walk back up to the reception, which is that way, and see if they've got a timetable. Right, so we're just walking around the campsite. We're just pitched round the corner there. The facilities are here, and we're just having a little walk up this way. There's a dog exercise area. Just going to find it. It's down here. I mean, all the pictures are lovely. They've got hedges round each one. They're really nice. And there's dog bins scattered about the site. So this is the dog exercise area.
Gee, this is your area.
Have a look up here, walk up here. I think you can go behind there. Let's go around here, look, Archie. So we're into the woods, and then it runs along the back of the campsite. Now this is quite nice for the dogs. Some molehills. To be careful though, there's a few roots that run across the path. You don't trip up. Dry underfoot. It's not... Oh! We've come to a fence, that's it. I thought it ran right round the site. Well, it looks as though it does on the site plan, but obviously it doesn't. Oh, here's Archie coming.
Trot, trot,
They've
trot.
just realised that...
We're nowhere to be seen.
Yeah.
In his younger days, he would have galloped here. But
Yeah, he's just having a little trot, aren't you,
it's a
Archie? Which is
gentle
good.
Trot.
A little trot, Archie.
He
That's
found us.
it. That's the end. I'm sorry, we've got to go back. About turn, look, and off he goes. At least it's somewhere to bring them, isn't it? But as I say, on the site map, it looked as though it ran right the way up the site.
Maybe it did once.
Yeah. There's some ducks. Come to a dead end here. Yeah, so it's just a little walk, but I mean it's big enough just to have a little exercise and let them off the lead. This is fenced. Come out of the dog walk. The little walk this way, so let's just see where this goes. Might not go very far. Go and investigate. I can see the cows through the trees. Brings you back into the woods, but again it's only just a little.
Yeah.
It looks like where they bring leaves and stuff to dump. Look, there's a little stream down here, just over there, or a ditch. But the site's at there as well, look. And then we're back up on the pathway and heading towards the back of the facility block, making a walk round to the reception area. It's not very busy, is it? There's a lot of spaces, empty spaces. Little moorhen there, look, running away. And there is actually a little fishing lake. I think we might be coming up to it here. Just here, look. So if you're into fishing, this would be ideal. Lots of lilies on it. Look at those lilies. They're late coming out. It's usually May time, isn't it, for water lilies?
Yeah.
In the
they're
summer.
flower. Must be a mild November.
Yeah. There was some ducks on here earlier. Can hear a bit of road noise to the left, but that's the road we came in on. But where we are, you don't hear anything. It's very quiet. This is the motorhome service point, so it's easy for if you've just come in and easy if you were coming out.
Yeah.
On the day of leaving is 11:30. Oh, that gives you an extra half an hour. So this is visitor parking here. It's quite a good space. And then to the left here is the reception, and it's really nice in there, and the guy on the reception was lovely, very, very helpful. Right, so this is the bus timetable, and he told us to take a photograph of it, so we'll do that. It's not very good on the GoPro. So this is where you would come in. It is quite, as I say, quite a busy road, and you drive on and you would just stop there before the barrier and then go into the reception. Yeah, this is the storage area here.
There's a path to the bus stop.
Sign to say path to the bus stop. So let's just have a walk to where it is. Archer's having a wee. So you walk along here. And this is the bus stop. This is the other side of the little lake. And I stand here, just pan round, and that's the other side of the campsite. So there's lots of pictures. They're all the same. They're all fairly level, aren't they?
Yes, it's a fairly level site.
Some do actually have picnic tables. I think that's a super pitch actually. Here we've got, as I say, the facilities. But all the geraniums still in flower. Oh, there's just a picnic bench here. Oh yeah, they're all shower rooms. So this is where you go in then, individual showers. Oh, it's red hot in here. My glasses are steaming up. This is a shower, toilet, sink, hand dryer, hair dryer, mirror, Julie with steamy glasses. Yeah, very nice, and it's all underfloor heating. It's ever so warm. So they're all individual showers. That's brilliant. You've got a chemical waste here. Come on. So we're going to walk back to the van, which is only just round the corner. So, here we are. Here's our pitch. We have a fully serviced pitch, and the pitch is very big, very level. We've got our own drainage just there, and then the electric plugs in to the meter just there. I think it's shared by about 4 people. It's a lovely area at the back if you wanted to sit out, if it was warm, obviously. Not really cold, is it, Archie? It's just a bit gloomy out there, isn't it? Gloomy weather. The pictures are great, absolutely great. I can't say anything against the pictures. I'm just going to sit down here a minute and chat. Come on, Arch. Let's have a little chat with you. Yeah, so Tony's just gone back to the reception just to check out to see which bus we have to catch and how long it takes to get to York, because it did say it was a 10-minute drive to York on the bus. But according to the timetable, it says an hour and something. I mean, it's a long time to sit on a bus to go to York, Tony says, and it's only 2 miles up the road. Anyway, we'll see what he says when he comes back. Let's see you in a bit.
Tune in next Friday, where we take a bus trip into York, see the sights And Julie nearly gets accosted by a Krampus. The question is, has she been naughty or nice?